I can determine whether a relation is a function. Vocabulary. Relation is any set of ordered pairs. A function is a relation where each input, x, has exactly one output, y. The x values are all unique. The x's do not repeat. So let's look at this table here. The x values are 3, 5, 7, and 9. So yes, this is a function. Okay, let's see what the next one brings us. It says, use the vertical line test to determine if this graph is a function. So I'm going to make a vertical line, since these are points, at each point. If a vertical line touches more than one point at a time, that means it is not a function. The reason for that is because these 2 points have the same x value, -1. So that's why it is not a function. This says which ordered pair can replace the missing value, so they're missing an ordered pair, and make the relation not a function. So we need an x value to repeat. Let's write down all our x values so we know what we're looking for. -2, 8, 0, 1, and 3. Well, we don't have a 2, so that one won't help us. We don't have a 7, so that won't help us. But here, C, that point is 8, 3. If we add that, it will make this not a function because the x values will repeat. This says which of the following represent relations that are functions. So let's go through each one. The x values in the first is 4, 5, 8, and 8. So those are not functions. So that is not going to be an answer. The next one is the x values are 3, -1, 0, and 4. All of the x values are different, so that means it is a function. We're going to use a vertical line test on this one. And my vertical lines only touch one point at a time, so that is a function. The next one, I'm going to use a vertical line test, and it touches more than one point at several vertical lines, so that is not a function. The next one in that table, the x values are 2, 5, 5, and 8. Since the 5 repeats, it is not a function. And the last table, 4, 5, 8, and 10, they're all different, so that is a function. We're going to stop there.